Every year, 3 million people worldwide have a knee replacement procedure. Each person seeks the most accurate and reliable solution for the best possible outcome and to get back to their lives faster. But not every knee is the same. For your knee replacement, personalization matters. Designed for digital precision, the VELYS robotic-assisted solution is a cutting-edge technology that helps your surgeon deliver a precise knee replacement tailored to you, personalized for your specific anatomy. The VELYS robotic-assisted solution uses data insights and advanced technology to help your surgeon perform a highly accurate and precise knee replacement. It works exclusively with the Attune Knee System, an innovative implant system that has helped over 1.5 million people and counting. Are you ready to move forward with robotic-assisted technology? Talk to your surgeon about the VELYS robotic-assisted solution and start moving again.